Good morning, everyone. This is Peter from Huawei. I'm quite happy to be here to share Huawei's view on data storage industry. Today, the whole data infrastructure industry has facing three big challenges and big changes. The first one is more new applications. Today, more than 50% of the enterprise start to adopt AI applications in their production and decision-making systems. And also, more and more cloud-native applications moving down from public cloud to on-premise data center. On the other hand, big amount of infrastructure data got generated every year. We need a cost-effective solution to facilitate those data, and particularly to have more value from those data as well. And then last, the new resilience becomes urgent for everyone. Today, every year, the ransomware variants basically doubled every year. And also every year, 14% of the data stored got permanently damaged. Really, we need more innovative technology. Particularly, the whole data storage industry needs more innovative technology and products to reach those requirements. First of all, new applications, we believe, need a new data paradigm. Use autonomous driving training as an example. In that progress, different type of data join the training progress to have the good results. We need the data storage to facilitate different type of data rather than trimming that kind of system. To make the whole system using those diversified data running in parallel to improve the efficiency. On the other hand, AI big model, there's data storage system within AI big model, that kind of architecture. The data storage should not simply provide traditional data protocol to the AI model that will really improve the complexity. The data storage has to set up new data paradigm and then to make AI big model much easier with higher efficiency. We have a lot of examples using Huawei data storage to simplify the whole progress and to improve the efficiency in scientific research and also in autonomous car training, that kind of industry. On the other hand, we also need data storage to accommodate more and more cloud-native applications. As I said, today, a lot of new applications is generated in public cloud and moving down to on-premise data center. The traditional data infrastructure without container, that kind of technology, really cannot accommodate those kind of applications. So we need data storage to fully support container, that kind of ecosystem, to make sure the system can afford the new applications. Today, more than 80 NA customers globally start to choose Huawei container data storage. Yes, today we have more and more unstructured data generated every year. For example, in hospital, in university, and also in other industries, every day and every year. Unstructured data start to become decision-making and also start to join production, that kind of progress, which means the scale-out storage really need much higher performance than before. It's not like the performance we needed for archiving system and also for backup system. We really need much higher performance system with scale out that kind of architecture. For example, the bandwidth needed to be improved by 100 times. And also, the IOPS needed to be improved by 1,000 times. One example we have is in Ruijin Hospital, which is a famous hospital in Shanghai. The image file needed to be visited simultaneously by more than 1,000 patients and doctors, which really we need very high performance scale-out storage in that kind of case. Certainly, more and more unstructured data need a cost-effective system to make sure we could have reliability with the data, but on the other hand, not really increasing the budget too much. Therefore, more technologies needed to be adopted in the system. For example, advanced data reduction and coding, that kind of scheme. And also stacking technology in the chipset making. We will start to use die-on-board, that kind of technology, in our disk using semiconductor. Then to keep increasing the density in the whole system. On the other hand, the SSD disk, we understand there's a controller there, but the controller also needs more computational resource. Therefore, it becomes computational disk. For example, the compression, the encryption, these kind of progress can be executed in those disks. We have very interesting product called a super encoding adapter. Using that kind of adapter, 1 TB could be equivalent to 3 TB in video, that kind of scenario. Today, by generating more new data, we also have a problem about data gravity. Today, a lot of data has been stored in different places physically. How can we organize them and also scheduling them just like in one place? We really need a data fabric technology embedded into data storage. In Huawei, we have a software called Global Filing System, GFS. Using this kind of data fabric technology, we can organize those data, even they are located in different places physically. One example is with China Mobile, their big data system. China Mobile learning their business and big data over the whole country. The data has been generated in different places and certainly being stored there. Using our data fabric technology, all these data can be organized just like stored in one equipment and support the upper layer software for data mining. At last, new resilience. Traditionally, the data storage has been used to prevent physical damage for data. And now we can see more and more human factor, that kind of data damage happening everywhere. So we really need more cybersecurity, that kind of functionality be embedded into storage to make sure the data storage could have proactive defense. We understand the IT infrastructure is layered in structure. Therefore, different kind of protection should happening and executed in different layers, in network layer, in application layer, etc. However, we definitely need cyber, that kind of functionality embedded in data storage as last line for defense. This is the must. 30 years ago, because of database, we start to have SAN, that kind of storage. And then 20 years ago, because of internet, which need file sharing. And then we start to have NAS storage. And then virtualization, cloudification, big data, and AI. Those kind of new applications generating new type of data with bigger amount, and also the demand of needing new resilience requirement, really driving the whole data storage industry moving forward. In last year, in 2022, the amount of shipping data storage for top 5 global vendor reached 11 EB, which is 3 times than that happened in 2012. Think about what the number will be 10 years later, which is in 2032. I personally believe the number will reach more than 10 times, which means beyond 100 EB, and very quickly to reach YB that kind of level. Therefore, we certainly believe data storage is a promising industry. Today, I really try to use this opportunity, also appreciate our customers and also partners and our engineers. We have been working together to make sure Huawei data storage start to be recognized worldwide. Our primary storage and scale-out storage and backup storage have been chosen as best choice, customer choice, selected by Gartner. And also, the Huawei storage growth rate outside of China is #1 globally, which is quite good. However, we still need to work together to facing challenges coming from new application, new data, and a new resilience. Let's work together and moving forward to YB era. Thank you.